Today, witnesses took the stand in a Huron County trial that is happening 24 years after a woman was killed.
Paul Hicks is accused of killing his ex-wife and the mother of his child, Regina Roe Hicks. News 5's Maya Lockett has been following the trial and has the latest on who was called to the stand.
Day 3 of the Paul Hicks murder trial featured multiple stops and starts. There were 4 pauses and a lunch break due to late witnesses. Also, former law enforcement, Hicks family members, and others testified Thursday. Some we can't name, show, or share audio of their testimony because they requested to be off camera. Prosecutors accused Paul of knocking Regina Roe Hicks unconscious before leaving her body in her 1992 Camaro and driving the car into a pond. As a part of its evidence, the prosecution provided a list of theories given by the defendant back in 2001, what Hicks told police might have happened to his ex-wife, implying Regina committed suicide.
The defendant made up a twin brother that he didn't have, never had, and tried to blame what happened to Regina Hicks on the twin brother. It's in a letter that the defendant wrote.
To confirm this, Hicks' mother was called to the stand and confirmed he was not a twin.
Did Paul ever have a twin brother?
No.
There was no sibling named Rainey between Crystal?
Not as I know of, sir, no.
Between Crystal and Paul?
Just Crystal and Paul.
Regina's car was pulled out of the pond by a farmer and his son 4 days after she went missing in October 2001. They testified Thursday about their gruesome discovery.
We didn't know it was a car until we started to pull, and all of a sudden Roger hollered, the trunk lid come up.
The prosecution is trying to rule out a potential defense argument that Regina may have committed suicide, so they focused on whether the father-son duo saw tire marks near the pond.
You drew a turquoise line across that image.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yes.
What was the purpose of you drawing that line across that image?
To show where the tracks were, going from the road through the grass, up over the bank and into the pond.
Defense came back and questioned if there were tire marks leading into the pond.
You didn't see any tracks going into the water.
Nope.
Right. Your impression was that the car went flying out.
Had to go up over that bank because right there near that hydrant is probably the steepest part of it.
Hicks faces 3 counts of murder and 1 count of kidnapping. He is expected to testify at some point during the trial. Maya Lockett, News 5.